Hello everyone, Nadezhda here, and today we are going to learn how to rotate the models in Revit. This is the beginner's lesson, but a lot of people don't know the main tips and tricks and the main hacks of rotating precisely and efficiently in Revit. So let's get to it. First way of rotation is the one that I have mentioned in the beginning and the one that I consider the least efficient way of rotating, and that is the navigation cube rotation. Once I click on my rotation cube, I can rotate this model. But what's wrong with this rotation is that basically this way of rotating rotates everything, the entire model, around this pivot ball. You can see the pivot ball, the green one in the middle, and essentially everything that exists in this model is now rotating in dependence on that ball. And that is very tricky because especially if you have the large project, it gets very difficult to rotate because obviously a lot of elements need to rotate around that center. The bigger your project is, the more complex it's going to be, and it's going to be a little bit laggy, and it's not definitely going to be precise. Especially if you are working on something in detail, you do need some precise rotation so you can check out the elements you're working on. And the most precise rotation way is actually selecting the element, and once you select that element, you are going to click on Shift on your keyboard, and then you are going to click on the pan wheel on your mouse. They seem like a lot of buttons, but once you get used to this, it's going to be pretty subconscious, it's going to be pretty easy, and you're not going to think about it. So once you have pressed all of these things, you simply rotate. And as you can see now, I have the perfect precise rotation around the roof I have selected. This way you rotate everything with the center of your roof. It is very precise and it is actually much smoother and much more efficient than using the navigation cube for rotation. And that's it. That is the best way of rotating the model in Revit. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, like and subscribe. I post them every couple of days, and if you like studying with me, check out my Revit Beginners course that has over 20 hours of video content, 95 video lessons, and the help of the instructor with everything you need. Thank you for watching. Bye!